Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Don't Judge by Its Cover from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Don't judge by its cover. Sometimes the most remarkable ones are the ones you least expect. Sometimes the ones you expect the most are the most frail. Never judge a book by its cover, for no one reveals their true identity with outward appearance. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of a few things that you are grateful for today, yesterday, anytime. So if you are able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life today, yesterday, anytime. I am grateful for being able to hang out with a friend yesterday that I haven't hung out with in a long time. I'm grateful for a huge hug from my wife. It was amazing. And I'm grateful for the beautiful dinner we had last night. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.